Welcome back to another video, guys. Today, I will be going to show you a website in which you can earn free Ethereum every single day. Watch the video until the end so that you don't miss out on the important details, because I will be showing you the step-by-step method on how to do this. This is 100% free, and you don't need to have any initial investment to make money with this. This is available worldwide, no matter what country you are in. You can make money with this website when you decide to start investing. The most important part of the process is educating yourself. This is Investor Boost. Subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment below. The name of this platform is Ethereum.org. When you go into this website is a freelancing website. You can read it here that Ethereum Freelancing is an online jobs platform where users can work and hire using digital currency such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Register for Ethereum now to land your first gig or start receiving live bids from qualified freelancers in minutes. You can sign up on this website for absolutely 100% free. If you want to enter our cash giveaways, smash the thumbs up and comment down below by just clicking on this sign up free button right here. And then just directly input the information asked by this platform. How this website works is that you need to browse the available projects on the Ethereum platform and submit the bid. Or simply select an instant hire project to start working immediately. Then complete the project to the employer specification and submit your work through the Ethereum contract management system. Lastly, once your work has been reviewed and approved, payment will be released immediately to your Ethereum wallet. That is very simple to do. Before we continue, please comment down below on what country you are in so that I can make more videos for your region to let you learn and earn a lot of money with the methods that I'm going to show you. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's proceed right to the video. I want you to go on the freelancing section. And then you can see here that there are hundreds of freelancing jobs that you can do. You can see that you can earn from $5 to $500 or even thousands and thousands of dollars doing some simple and easy work on this website. Later, I'm going to show you some things that we can do on this platform to earn free crypto. Yes, this website also pays cryptocurrencies. You can see here that you can even get thousands and thousands worth of crypto as payment for the freelancing jobs that you do. Again, guys, this website is 100% free, and you don't need to do some initial investment to get started with this. You can see here on the freelancer plan section of this platform that there are free plans that you can use. With the free plan, you can apply for unverified projects, add unlimited freelancer portfolios, access to boost your profile questions, be hired directly from your profile, project fees as low as 10%. If you want to, you can also get the one-time $9 verified account free. In this plan, you can get access to verified only projects, enjoy more work opportunities, display the verified badge on your avatar, add unlimited freelancer portfolios, be hired directly from your profile, project fees as low as 5%. Right now, I want you to focus on something incredible that I will show you later. When you are going into the browse section of this platform, this is where you can see the different freelancing jobs that you can do. They have many different categories of freelancing jobs right here. As you can see in this section right here, you do some surveys, graphics and design, social and digital marketing, website and software, usability testing, and many more categories that you can choose from. But the category that we are going to focus on today is app downloads. Now, I want you to click on this app downloads option right here. This category is very easy and very simple to do. You don't need to be an expert in order to do this and earn money with this. What you're going to do is just download some apps and give your feedback about the experience you have with the app, and then you are going to earn free crypto by just doing that. Take a look at this job right here. You are going to earn this amount of crypto if you are going to download this app and test it, then give your feed about this app. The same with this job right here and right here. You can start earning money with these simple and easy jobs in the apps download category on this platform. There are hundreds and hundreds of app download jobs you can do on this website. Surely, you can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars by doing some jobs in this category. If you want to enter our cash giveaways, smash the thumbs up and comment down below. For example, if you are going to apply for this job right here, just directly click on the job. And then you are going to land on this page right here. You can see here the amount of money that you can get on this job, and then the type of payment that you are going to receive. What you are going to do right now is we are going to place a bid right here. I advise you to place a lower amount so that you are the one that the client will pick. Then right here on this section, I recommend you to put the fastest time you can finish the work. And then, don't forget to leave a message right here so that they can tell that you are a real person. After that, just directly click on the Place Bid button. How easy to work on this platform! This is 100% free and available worldwide. No matter what country you are in, you can earn money with this. That's how you can earn money with this platform. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.